If you're tired of having to load subtitle files every time you play a video, or you want your captions visible no matter where or how you share your movie, today's tutorial is for you. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to permanently add subtitles to a video using VLC Media Player. By the end, you'll know how to embed your subtitles so that they travel with your video wherever you go. Let's dive right in. First, you want to start by preparing your files. That means making sure you have both your video file and the subtitle file, usually with an SRT extension, ready on your computer. It's a bit like making sure you have all your ingredients before starting to cook. Having everything together will make the process much smoother. Place both files somewhere you can find easily, like your desktop or a dedicated project folder. Then launch VLC Media Player. Instead of the usual open file option, we're going to use a more reliable method for subtitles. At the top menu, go to Media, then click on Open Multiple Files. This lets you pair your video with its matching subtitles right from the beginning. Click the Add button to bring your video file into VLC. After that, tick the Use a Subtitle File box and select your subtitle file as well. Think of this step as stacking two transparency sheets together. Your video is one, your subtitles another, and when we merge them, you'll get a complete picture. Now let's move on to converting the video. At the bottom of the window, you'll spot the Convert Save button. Go ahead and click that. This part may feel a little technical, but don't worry, I'll walk you through it. Under Settings, you're asked to pick a profile for your new video. A good standard option is Video H.264 plus MP3 MP4. This ensures your video uses popular formats for both video and audio, meaning it should play on almost any device from a laptop to a smartphone or even a smart TV. Here, the critical part. Make sure you check the box that says Overlay Subtitles on the video. Without this, VLC will still let you attach subtitle files for playback, but they won't be encoded directly into the video, which is what we want. Next, click Browse to choose a destination folder for your new video. Give it a clear name, maybe something like My Movie with Subtitles, MP4, and make sure to include the MP4 extension so your computer recognizes the format. Double-check your selections before you hit Start. The conversion process might take a few minutes or longer, depending on your video's length and your computer's speed. If your computer's fan kicks in or things slow down for a bit, don't worry. It's just VLC working hard to crunch the video and subtitles together. When VLC finishes, you'll have a brand new file saved in your chosen folder. Now comes the fun part, open the new video. You'll notice that the subtitles appear right where you expect them, and the best part, they're embedded so you don't need to load a separate file or worry about incompatibility on other devices. Whether you're sharing the video with a friend, uploading it online, or watching it on your TV, those captions will always show up, no extra steps needed. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've added permanent subtitles to your video using VLC Media Player, making it accessible anywhere, anytime. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. Got questions or want to share your results? Drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. And for more practical guides like this, remember to subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching.